Welcome to Nerf. Welcome to Nerf Chris Berry. I'm going to show you how to, not how to, but I'm going to show you the weirdest gun ever. Instead of shooting the darts, it shoots caps off the darts. You see this? Look, put it there. It'll shoot the cap off instead of the dart. Now watch this. Watch this now. Actually, I'll do it on this side. Fire the cap. See the cap on the floor right there? I'll do another one. Watch the cap. And another one. The cap. That went far. No, that went far. Okay, that went there with the dart, but my younger sister bit my dart. It's weird, but it's really weird, but it's cool. It is cool. So, thanks guys for watching. See ya.